How to make a ceramic jewelry holder. First, you're going to cut some clay from the bag. Make it about an inch thick. Put it on some canvas and roll it into a slab that is about 1/4 inch thick. Make sure to smooth out the slab with a rubber kidney. Put some plastic over it and then use a clay cutter to cut out a circle. If you don't have a clay cutter, you could just use a circular shape, or if you want to use other templates, cut out some paper and use a fettling knife to cut out your shapes. Then remove the clay that you don't need. Before you push it into a 3D form, you need to make sure that the clay is leather hard. You can use a blow dryer, or you can just let it sit out for a while. Make sure that the push mold that you're using is smaller than your slab. If it's slightly smaller, the edges of your dish will be small. If it's a lot smaller, the edges will be raised quite a bit. It's on foam, and I put plastic covering the clay. Make sure that it is centered exactly in the middle of your cutout slab. Then you're just going to push against the clay with the foam underneath, and it will turn into a 3-dimensional form. Here it is again. Once you have your dish made, you could add things to it like coils, slabs, or little sculptural pieces. Just be sure to score and slip it on so that it stays. One thing that I use is a wet paintbrush to get around the parts that I've scored and slipped on, since my sponge cannot reach in there to smooth. Make sure it's scored and slipped on well so that it does not fall off when it's dry. Then you can fire and glaze them.